CJ. Did you wash your hands? He did not wash his hands. See, I told you he's easy. Hey, look at her getting her pacifier. Baby, I got work to do. Yes, CJ. Look, he wants to sit on my lap too. Told you. Look. CJ, you're a big boy. You're a big boy, CJ. I told you. Look how she's looking at him. You guys share me, Mama. I'm about to see if I can feed her some mac and cheese. Can you get down real quick, please? Go get the food for me. Go get the mac and cheese. CJ, go get the food. Go get baby food. Mac and cheese, go get it for me, please. Go get it, please. CJ, go get it. CJ, get down. Go get baby food. Baby food, please. CJ, what's up? Good morning, good afternoon, guys. Good evening. I don't know where you're watching from. Oh, you just kissed my shoulder. Hold up, CJ. CJ, go get this for me. Please. Thank you. No, that one. This one on the floor. CJ, that one. Julia, get the bib. Julia, get the bib for me, please. Baby thing to eat. Right there, get it for me. It's purple. Thank you. Oh, wait, how do you say purple? Yeah, purple. Say purple. Purple. Yay, good job, Mama. Thank you. Oh, you're welcome. Okay, I'm about to feed baby. Hold this for me, Julia, please. Hold it like this. Not like this, Julia. Okay. Like this. Hold it like this. Here, hold it. Hold the phone. All right. Thank you. Okay, I'm about to get the higher chair for baby to eat. Julia, up. Hold the phone up, please. Thank you. Show them the food. Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Princess. My princess. Thank you. Look at the fish you gave me. After all, you're a princess. Don't be jealous. I'm your princess, Mommy. Yeah, both my princess. Ellie, I have a lot of princess. You didn't know that? Ah. I don't have a baby spoon for her. It's at the house. My hand is clean, guys. She's jealous? Yeah, jealous not God. Say, I'm not jealous anymore. Because you're my cousin.
It's a dress.
What's a dress? Oh, yeah.
Mama's dress.
Funky? Oh, yeah. Your mama would do wear something like that. Is it good, Mama? Don't your food, Julia?
Yeah.
You done? Drink your water?
Yeah.
Say no. You can hear the rooster in the background, right? You okay?